Well, hello, friends. It's Running Kimono, and this is your Walgreens preview for the week of the 12th to the 18th. Right off the bat, this is like awesome week with digital coupons and IBOTTA. Oh my gosh, this week is on fire. Okay, so quickly we're going to talk about a couple of rumors that I've been hearing and seeing on social media that back to school in summer this week should be clearing 75 to 90. We'll have to see it when it happens. If you wish to give me a follow over on Instagram or TikTok, when I get the information, I will share it with you guys. But typically it happens on a Tuesday morning, but I don't know. If you're a manager and you want to slip into my DMs for either Instagram or TikTok, if you have any information, it would be greatly appreciated. Okay, so if you were so very lucky, maybe you received one of these in your digital coupons folder. Look at the very top. Not every account gets it. Valid from the 12th to the 18th. Grab $20 of merch. Yes, you can use manufacturer coupons, but you cannot use IVC, store, register rewards, or Walgreens cash in concert, or you'll have a whole bunch of problems. You probably won't get the booster. Really pay attention, and this is of a one-time use. Now, if you didn't get it, you know what I would do is get into the store and maybe buy something really cheap to see if the paper alternative one might print out for your store card. One of my store cards received it, the other one did not. Okay, so let's look at the deals of the week. $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3 participating personal care products. They need more words than that. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to be looking at, guys, is the shampoo. My goodness gracious, I barely have any shampoo left in my stockpile. We're grabbing 2 of the whole blends, 4 of the Fructis for a total of 6, getting back $10. We're also going to grab 1 of the Garnier Fructis, this specific brand, which is called the Pure Clean. So this is what you're going to be looking for. And yes, it's the same price as the other Garnier Fructis, but you need 1 of these. And you're also going to have the 3 off of 2 for the whole blends and the 3 off of 2 for the Fructis starting on Sunday morning. And you'll have to load both of those coupons. You can load this guy right away. Okay, so for this little dealio, we're going to need this booster loaded, so please make sure you have it or the paper alternative if you might receive it. So this is a super uber easy deal. We're going to be grabbing 2 of the whole blends for $7 and then 4 of the Fructis for $14. Remember, one of them has to be as per that last blue coupon, whatever it's called, Hydro or whatever. So the total here is $21. Please make sure you have your 5 back when you spend $20, that booster loaded. Sunday morning, you load the 3 off of 2 for whole blends and then 3 off of 2 for the Fructis, and then we already have the other $2 one loaded. So after all of those coupons come off, you pay $13 with your debit card, and then you get back $15. $10 for buying 6 of those shampoos, and then $5 for the booster, making this free plus a $2 money maker. And as you're using a booster in this specific scenario, do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. All right, so looking at this quick little dental care deal with the same promotion, you know what I would go with? Either the brushes or the mouthwash. I think the mouthwash probably, because we don't get a lot of deals. We're going to have a 5 off of 3 starting on Sunday morning at $4 a pop for those washes. Grab 3 of them for $12 on the nose. 4 times 3 equals 12. Subtracting the 5 off of 3 digital on Sunday morning, you'll pay $7 out of pocket, get back your $5 in Walgreens cash, making it 2 for 3 or 66 cents each. If you're doing this deal on its own and you wish to use your Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it. Right, so this is a month-long candy deal where these Hershey's candy bars are 2 for $2 or like $1 each. Now, if you want to use this in concert with it, we're going to look at a deal. And as this is a month-long deal, if you wanted to run out today and do it, you can also do it if you can line this deal up, if you might have a booster, or if you just want to do a deal without the booster, and I'll show you that here in a quick second. But for this specific scenario, we're using this 5 back when you spend 20 booster. In the September Big Book, we have this $1 off of 2 for the Hershey single. Operative thing here, guys, is Hershey. So anything Hershey, and they have a whole bunch of different candy bars in their line. Grab 40 of them for $40. You get the cashier to scan that IVC. $20 should be coming off. You need to scan it only once, and then it'll attach to every single one. You have your booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend 20. You're going to pay that $20 out of pocket, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $15 for the 40 bars or 37 cents each. Let's not use the Walgreens cash to pay the balance down, as we're going to be, using a booster in concert with this. And I would recommend to do this one in store, because if you do a curbside for this one, you know what might happen is, because it's such a volume of candy bars, they might only have a certain amount and you don't want to end up in a messy situation. So do this one definitely in store. So if you just want to buy a couple candy bars, let's grab 10 for $10. Subtracting that IVC found on page 7, $5 is going to come off, guys. I would throw in $5 in Walgreens cash. Why not? It's not your 401k. And you're paying tax or nothing if you're in Michigan. And because you're not using a booster in concert with this, you can use Walgreens cash. And cheap candy bars, absolutely, why not? Okay, the Sheam Moisture, there's going to be a 5 off of 2 starting on Sunday, along with the promotion of spend 20, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, which is a 50% return on investment. This is a spend deal, so you have to use your debit card, credit card, or cash bills for the balance. Let's stack it with this booster. So look at these cutesy little masks at $10.49, and let's go for a curbside pickup, because this stuff in store is like boku expensive. So we're going to go with 2 of these, and let's look at the math for this one. Curbside pickup, put 2 of the Sheam Moisture masks in a basket for $20.98. Make sure that you have your booster loaded along with that 5 off of 2 manufacturer. You're going to pay $15.98 with your debit card and get back $15 in Walgreens cash. 10 for the Sheam Moisture promotion, 5 for your booster, making it 98 cents for the 2. Let's not forget to not use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for this one, because you're using a spend booster and it is a spend promotion. Okay, this is another great one. $8 when you buy 2 of the following for the Schick, whichever one you want. Let's throw this guy in there again. So if you could possibly go to the store, buy something cheap to see if another booster might print out for you, a smart thing to do this week. We have these digitals, which is a 4 off for the men's fancy and a 4 off for the ladies fancy. Okay, so taking a quick peek at the math here, a ladies fancy razor is $11.49. A Schick men's, just the regular one that does your taxes and stuff, is $8.99 for a total here of $20.48. Remember, we have our booster loaded along with the 2 $4 digital coupons. You're paying $12.48 with your debit card, essentially making this free plus a 52-cent moneymaker, as you're getting back that $8 in Walgreens cash and your $5 booster. So how great is that? And do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, as this is a spend deal with that 5 back when you spend 20 booster. Okay, so this is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 30. Because it's a spend offer, you got to pay for the balance with your debit, credit, that sort of a thing. They're not really letting out what kind of digital coupons are attaching with these products, so we're going to have to wait for Sunday for some harder deals on this. But let's just look at something really quick. Okay, so let's throw in this booster, and we're going to be specifically looking at the Dollar Shave Club products. I'm going to grab 1 of the razors, 1 shaving cream, and 1 face cleanser. Over on the Fetch Rewards app, we have one for the razor and also for the cream. Quick expiry date on those. And then on Shopkick, there's 700 points back for the cream. And then also for the face cleanser, whatever it is, another 700 points back. You have to do this deal by Monday the 13th, grabbing 1 of the razor kits for $17.99. And then 1 shave gel, 1 cleanser for $13.98. They're priced at $6.99 a pop. The total here is $31.97. Pay it with your debit card. Remember, you have your 5 back when you spend 20 booster loaded. You're going to get back $15 in Walgreens cash, 10 for spending 30 plus 5 for the booster, $3,500 to the Fetch Rewards app, which is $3.50, and $5.60 back from Shopkick, making it $7.87 for the 3 products, or $2.62 each. Do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, as the promotion is spend and the booster is a spend. Quick little freebie for you guys, $3 for the Crest toothpaste or the brushes. Let's go with some brushes because we don't get a lot of those. And then the 5 off when you spend 3. I think it's the same promotion as the scope one. So pick, do you want the scope or do you want the brushes for cheap? It is your choice. We're going to go with 3 brushes for $9. Subtracting that 5 off of 3, you're paying 4, and then getting back a $4 register reward, essentially making it free. If you're doing this promotion on its own and you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it. Okay, now it's honorable mention time. So the first item is the Persil for $4.99. We're going to have a $2 digital starting on Sunday morning, dropping it down to $2.99. If you have one of those like Bissell, it's like a little carpet cleaner. This is apparently the best thing to clean like rugs or whatever. It's supposed to be magic in a bottle. The Pepsi Mountain Dew is 3 for $9.99. That soda has really jumped up a lot in price. So this is a very excellent price if you like Pepsi or Mountain Dew. Halloween. Look at some of these cute little items. Oh my goodness gracious. And a lot of these are exclusive to Walgreens. So how stinking cute are those? I can't wait for Halloween clearance to get all those Funko Pops for like 4 cents. $1.99 for various products, and then the Nightmare Before Christmas from $4.99. Kind of interesting. And this is dirt cheap, the candy corn, and they have like a turkey flavored Thanksgiving dinner for $1.99. It's usually 2 for $5, so they've really cut the prices down on this. I think I'm going to grab a couple more turkey dinners because that is just hilarious. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!